Techniques and strategies for pleasure. The female body undergoes various physiological and emotional changes during and after sexual activity. These changes are typically temporary and may vary from person to person. Here are some common changes that can occur. Arousal phase. Increased blood flow. During sexual arousal, there is an increase in blood flow to the pelvic region. This results in the engorgement of the genital area, including the clitoris and vaginal walls. This increased blood flow contributes to heightened sensitivity and sexual pleasure. Vaginal lubrication. Arousal typically leads to natural vaginal lubrication. This lubrication helps reduce friction and discomfort during sexual activity. During sexual activity. Increased heart rate. As sexual excitement builds, heart rate and blood pressure may rise, reflecting the body's response to sexual stimulation. Muscle contractions. The uterus and pelvic muscles may contract during sexual activity. These contractions can contribute to sexual pleasure and may also facilitate the transport of sperm in some cases. Release of endorphins. Sexual activity triggers the release of endorphins, which are natural feel-good hormones. Endorphins can lead to feelings of pleasure and relaxation, contributing to the overall positive experience. After sexual activity. Resolution phase. After orgasm, if reached, there is a resolution phase during which the body gradually returns to its baseline state. Decreased blood flow. Blood flow to the pelvic region returns to normal, and any swelling in the genital area subsides. Relaxation. Muscles in the pelvic area relax, and the body returns to a more relaxed state. Emotional and psychological changes. Emotional bonding. Sexual activity can foster emotional closeness and bonding between partners. The release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, plays a role in this emotional connection. Mood and stress reduction. The release of endorphins during and after sex can have mood-enhancing and stress-reducing effects. It can lead to feelings of relaxation and contentment. Individual variation. It's important to note that these changes can vary from person to person. People have different physiological responses to sexual activity, and emotional experiences can also differ widely. Health considerations. Practicing safe sex to prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs, is essential. If pregnancy prevention is desired, using appropriate contraception methods is important. Seeking medical advice for any unusual or uncomfortable physical changes after sex is recommended. In conclusion, the female body experiences various temporary changes during and after sexual activity. These changes are part of the body's natural response to sexual stimulation and can vary from person to person. Open communication between partners, understanding individual responses, and addressing health considerations are essential for a positive and healthy sexual experience.